It's only my first couple of days back at our original boondocking location, and I already have the tools out. This thing hasn't been running since I left. They tried to sell it, it came back pretty quickly, and well, it's gotta get running because it's gotta move here soon. This thing needs one of these, and that thing has a sliding door that won't close, so we're getting some of that work on as well. Oh yeah, and I gotta produce a video today.
Wow, look at the clouds in the camera. Where are we going? I've never gone to a junkyard before with Steven, and he's been to plenty, so I'm tagging along today.
I grew up in junkyards as a kid, so this is kind of like church for me.
Why am I so excited?
This is Americana.
Right? Oh. Are you okay, buddy? I wonder what happened to this Kia Soul.
Yeah, I wonder.
I get to carry wrenches. Hello.
So they said the domestic section was basically right over here. Welcome to basically car heaven. Car hell, I don't know what you call it, but this is where your car goes when you're done with it. Well, everyone's done with it.
I wonder where that Outback is now.
I could actually bring you to where it's at. I know where I sold it to, but it's at a place like this, or they might have just crushed that one because there's nothing to pull out of it. So we're looking
400s.
for
This is where we are right here.
So 404 is the first one. So we're 403.
It's 403.
So this one right here, this next one is 404.
Oh, it's a little windy. It's gonna pick up on the camera.
Oh, we should have brought those bikes.
Shoot.
Sorry, Jeremy. We haven't messed with those yet. We should. Here's one. And here you are. So you just have a car that's put up on tires. And you're welcome to take anything off of here. And then at the office, they'll ring you up for it.
Just a little piddle.
Emergency warning system, eh?
There's our first alert of the day. It's the first Wednesday of the month, so it's like a tornado test alert thing. And today, all of our devices are supposed to go off, so can't wait for that.
Keep searching. Hello.
Hi.
So you can see if you bring the camera around here, that's what I'm looking for. And that's what's on the vehicle. I'm gonna keep going. What's the next vehicle on that list? At 405.
At least it cooled off today. It's not 90.
I'm glad that's why. Yesterday,
No.
we're gonna take the day off.
But yesterday was really hot, but also stormy.
Summer, I picked the hottest day of the year to remove that. Like a chunk. Nothing here. See something?
Oh, it's all cool.
Yeah, so when I was a kid, I started coming to these things when I was like 7 or 8 years old. And once these things get picked over enough and there's nothing really of value left for them anymore, then they just get crushed up and sold for raw materials back to make new cars and soup cans. And
Soup cans.
same one and two. Okay, yeah, so this is the same one. So this is the one I pulled off the vehicle, and you can see there's wire damage right there. I could try and repair that, but these things are so old and brittle that I like to just take them and we'll put new stuff in there. Should give us more than enough to work with. This will work. Sweet.
Hell yeah.
the inside door card.
Oh.
I want to see if I can find him a dark one off of him. The door card's got to be off of Lincoln though. So
Oh. Okay. There's a Lincoln.
nothing like you know. It's got to be the round body style like his, you know.
This is like if a car were a zombie.
Yeah.
It looks zombie-ish to me. I don't know.
Yep.
Okay.
Crunch stuff.
Oh.
How many years did it make it?
This-
Oh no, this is a 928. Oh my god. This is an
Sad.
extremely rare Porsche. This is a V8 front engine Porsche from the 80s. This is really rare. This is crazy. This would almost be worth saving.
How? You would need to be rich. Oh, you poor thing.
Yeah, the other thing is it's an automatic, but I think I'm almost sure they all were. I've maybe only seen a half a dozen of them in my lifetime up close. Almost worth it though. Almost worth it. Especially because it's got a complete engine, it looks like. It's a shame.
Especially if you have a lot of space just to keep it around until you can put some money into it.
Yeah.
But too bad we don't have space or money. Did we find?
Oh.
I was recording and saying, look what we found. I'm excited for this. We ordered some tacos. There's a cute little place to sit and eat them. They also have live bait here. A lot of stuff.
Tacos. These my tacos?
This is so exciting.
Thank you.
Might have to get some hot sauce here. Look at all these flavors. Okay, we got 3 pastor and 3 chorizo tacos. They look absolutely legit here. They're Hermanos Lopez tacos. The chorizo, the pastor looks like it should to me. And then we got these sauces.
I'm excited.
Yeah, we're gonna eat. Okay, this place was awesome. We'll
Honestly,
see you again soon.
8 out of 10.
Oh, maybe more.
Especially because of where we're at. We're on a limousine today. I have see those wires down there? I gotta rewire in a plug. AC had blown an air compressor and we put a new air compressor in and still no ACs. I found a bad plug. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna go over our fuses one more time and we're gonna see if I can get the AC working just in time for fall. It's actually cold. I was thinking about putting on a sweater. It's perfect time to work on air conditioning, right? Here's our 2 connectors. Here's the one that I took out of here. You can see it's been compromised there. I think it might have been shorted to ground. The belt on this actually broke, and so I'm kind of curious if the belt breaking is what caused that. I was able to find just another pigtail with the wire intact, a little bit better shape. So we're just going to strip this. We're going to splice the 2 together. I'm going to solder these ends in because of where it's at. I don't want moisture getting into that connector ever, so we're going to make sure it's nice and dry and soldered up right. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this works. You can see I got my first connection wired up there. I got my soldering iron heating up, so I'm gonna try to get some solder on it. I'm gonna put a little bit of flux paste on there, and I'm gonna see if I can get this thing done. See, I got the one end soldered in here. I like using flux paste, especially in hard to reach places, because it just kind of pulls that solder right in. So now I'm gonna get that heat shrink over there, and I'm gonna go grab a lighter so I can get that all shrunk into place, and we'll start on the next one.